Alright, right here I'm hammering holes into the bottom of this metal bucket, and this will allow water and vapor to escape during the firing process. This metal bucket is the support for the clay for the furnace. And this centerpiece, that's the clay is going to be rammed in around that, but that's the center form. And cardboard going in one side, then on the other side, and also this metal tube. This is our air supply that's going to be going down to this charcoal forge. Top view. Right now clay is going to be rammed in around this. The clay is actually a paper clay. It's a 50% sand, 50% clay, and some water via consistency, and shredded paper will be put into this. Mixing it. Now I'm shredding the paper. Old documents. Recycle. Get it saturated. The paper, it has a little, if you look at it on a microscopic level, it has little tentacles that it binds everything together, so that's why it makes a really good material to add to your clay. Give you a nice refractory, because it'd be more porous and lighter. In the firing process the paper burns up, but it binds everything together real nice. Now here it's being put in around the form. The pipes have been removed, but they're going to be put back in as this goes, and it's being rammed right here to compress everything, and hence the holes in the bottom. There's the air hole, but the holes in the bottom, the water is going to have a place to get out. Cardboard's being put in because clay shrinks 1 inch per foot, and we're going to remove the metal portion now and leave the cardboard to support the clay. And this will all be burned out in the firing process. And there it is. You have the metal tube in, you have the cardboard center, wood's being chopped up for the fuel, and then you have the two side ports. This is a metal melter. It will melt metal, but it also double as a forge. It's being burned out right now, which is starting the firing process, driving off the water, burning up the paper. The wood is started in it, but this is a charcoal that is in here, and air is being forced in. Makes a nice display, doesn't it? And it's all burning out. Okay, we have a Freon can here. We're going to take the top off of it. We did. Here's the bottom. Put clay, paper clay on that. It's going to make our lid. This gives a more concentrated heat to the metal burner. Has a small hole in the center because the fire has to come out somewhere. You can see here there's a piece of metal inserted in it. It's a lawnmower blades being forged into a knife. Here's a top view, fire coming out, quite spectacular. And here's some video of it. Quite an intense heat. You're looking at 2,000 to almost 3,000 degrees because of the concentrated. This is not something you want to turn your back on. You want to, if you've got metal in here that you're heating up as the forge, that's the fire coming out on the sides. That's where the metal sticks in for forging. This is the knife that's being made. If you turn your back on it, you come back and you'll find it melted. You don't want that. This gives you about a little bit less than a foot of material that you're going to be hammering on. It gets heated up at one time, and that's about the amount of material that you can hammer on effectively in a short time. And a lot of fire coming out. Here's another view from the top, looking down inside. Here's a closer view looking inside. There's the metal being inserted. Again, don't leave it unattended. It reaches temperature rather quickly, so you want to stay close. Alright, now here's the side view of it. You can see a portion of the metal is being heated up. Fire coming out the top.
Process isn't that good.
Pulling it out, you see the orange heat. Now I'm hammering it out on the anvil.